tip, everyone. Come over, lads. Come over. Carefully,
come
make
over.
room. Very good indeed. I didn't even not see one hair flick from Harper. I'm quite disappointed, to be honest. I'll get over it. Now, well done, of course. Now, everyone at home, whilst you've been doing that, has been voting for who they want to see get slimed. It could be anybody here, apart from me and Harps.
Oh, man.
How are you all feeling? Are you all feeling all right?
Nervous.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I hope it's Jack and Dean.
Well, we'll find out. Mash-up mob, who do you think will get slimed? Who?
Jack and Dean!
Jack and Dean!
Jack and
Jack and
Dean!
Dean! She pointed at me back there.
I want Joe as well. It should be Joe. Right, anyway, it's time to find out because I have the results in my hands.
Here we go.
Okay. With 52% of the vote, the star getting slimed is... Roderick! Now, boys...
Yes, take a seat.
We'll be playing Question Slime with you very soon. There are 20 buckets. 20 buckets of slime waiting for you. How are you feeling, lads?
Slimy.
Already?
Yeah.
There's 5 of them as well.
You will be feeling very slimy in a second, but before that, it's back to Mr. Core as Adora's relaxing trip away is proving anything but in part 2 of She-Ra.